In this week's video, we have a 5 Series with a set of MW5s on it. We delve into Luke Hampshire Photography's A45S that we had in through our detailing bay. And the main conversion of the week is a full AC Schnitzer kit along with a set of MW5s on a lovely 3 Series touring. Take a look.
So joined in the bay this week, we have this stunning Mercedes A45S, freshly detailed, and this belongs to Luke from Hampshire Photography. G-Technic gave us a call and tasked us with this to get it washed, decontaminated, machine polished and ceramic coated with Crystalline Ultra, topped with XOV5. The wheels have been coated, the glass have been coated, and now it's ready for collection. G-Technic aren't too far away now, so let's get it outside and have a little look.
So this car belongs to a customer of mine. I've been quite excited to get this through the door for quite a while now. The customer knew he wanted to change the wheels on the car. We didn't know quite what angle to go down. We've done the MW3s a lot. You see them on the TRL builds, and that's what drew him in. But we wanted to do something a bit more sleek for the finish of this. So we did our MW5s in the carbon grey. I think they look absolutely amazing. To pair this up and complement it, we have done the AC Schnitzer styling kit. But to give it that sleek look, we did the spoiler in body colour. So it's gone Brooklyn grey to match the rest of the car. Absolutely love the way it's come out. Customer spends a lot of time in his car, so it was just as important to get the interior looking good as well as the exterior. So we have gone for the full M Performance range inside, carbon paddle shifters, the door seal inserts, the M Performance armrest, all of it, and it looks absolutely amazing. What a nice car to be driving around on a daily basis. We'll get it outside, we'll take a look over it, and we'll also take a listen to it because it would be rude not to do the AC Schnitzer exhaust while he was in with us.